welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Melanie, and today I am here to unbox the April 2023 Beauty Heroes box. I have had a very long day with my family, the 4 kids. We were out all day at a party and stuff, a family party, and I am exhausted, but it's April 1st, so it came on the day that, the first day it's supposed to. And I'm super excited. I'm not even gonna make guesses as to what brand it is. I just wanna open it, unbox it with you, and then I'll probably be going to bed. So let's find out together. I don't know what brand it is. I did not have anything that spoiled the surprise, so I'm very excited. So I'll make one guess. I've been wanting Nini Organic, so that would be cool, but let's see. I love this moment right before you open it, and you're like, what could it be? Oh, Yena. Interesting. Okay. Yena. I have never tried anything from this brand. I have heard wonderful things about them, and they're pretty pricey from what I understand. So it looks like we have 2 products. I just went right by the little booklet because it's fun to find out what's in here by looking at things. So let's see, we have, ooh, this sounds pretty. Hydra Cloud Cream, Niacinamide and Ginseng Complex. There we go. The box. Pretty. Open it. Not easy to open. I broke the tape, yet I cannot open it. The box. Wow, that is no joke. Okay. Oh, how cute. Look at that. That little spoon. It's so pretty. It's like mother of pearl, it looks like. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. And this is the cream. Pretty frosted glass. Niacinamide and Ginseng Complex. Sounds very interesting. And then the other product we have, ooh, is a mist with prebiotics and tremella mushroom, which is, I believe, very hydrating. So this is the Essential Mist. Ooh, I'm very excited about this box. It says a multitasking toner essence hydrator to uplift, soothe, and balance your skin and energy. Very cool. These are pretty. And this brand was 5 Yena, and then at some point they rebranded and became Yena. And people used to rave about their face masks. They were like $20 each or something. Sorry, there's a cat kicking something around. And so they rebranded, and I haven't heard anything about the masks since then. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty. Oh, I'm excited about this. It's so pretty. It has like gold writing and stuff. Nice. Okay. Exciting. Let's read about it. All right. So we have the Hydra Cloud Cream, as you saw, and the Essential Mist. Those are our 2 products. So it's, I'm trying to remember, traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, based brand, provides 2 ways to support balanced skin. The cream is this month's hero product, and it's this brand's first cream moisturizer, proven to even out the skin tone while leaving it brighter and smoother than ever. I love a good face cream. And the Essential Mist is a daily replenishing essence, toner, and mist at once that douses skin in essential nutrients and hydration. When paired together, this hero product and sidekick duo support a daily practice of yang shang, the traditional practice of self-nourishment. So nice. Okay, I'm excited. This seems like a really good box. Okay, so we have the Hydra Cloud Cream, which is 1.6 fluid ounces. That's a lot. A value of $98. It says rich but light, hydrating but not heavy. Hydra Cloud Cream is the epitome of balance. The formula is powered by Yena Ginseng Complex, a blend of 5 highly concentrated adaptogens that are blended to balance the benefits of each other. Asian ginseng helps regulate sebum and brighten the skin, while Asian ginseng and Prince ginseng combat stress, smooth lines, and boost elasticity. Siberian ginseng, also known as Eleuthera, strengthens the skin barrier. The addition of peptides and niacinamide complement this complex by delivering firming, tightening, and pore refining benefits. An intensive hydrating treatment that's quick to absorb, Hydra Cloud Cream delays the aging process while inspiring new collagen, addressing inflammation, and protecting from oxidative stress while deeply hydrating and moisturizing. with 94% of surveyed customers agreeing their skin appears more radiant, healthy, and has a youthful glow, and 91% agreeing their skin is healthier, stronger, and more energized. We are 100% confident that Hydro Cloud Cream is among the best moisturizers for healthy, balanced skin. The superpower ingredients are niacinamide, ginseng complex, which is Asian ginseng, American ginseng, Siberian ginseng, and Prince ginseng, licorice root, gotu kola, tremella mushroom, and chamomile. So they do have like a typo in here because they say like Asian ginseng helps blah, 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 blah. And then it says, wow, Asian ginseng. So I think the second line is supposed to say like American ginseng, whatever. Let's smell it and check it out. Something about these little things like bug me. Like, I always feel like I need to make sure I get every, ooh, look at that. I get every like drop off this. That looks like decadent. I love how like cream gets me like so excited. Skincare, you know? All right, so let's kind of want to put it, I want to get this like all over me. There's a lot on here, so we don't need a ton. Let's look at the consistency. Definitely a lot on this thingy. This thing just like always confuses me, this little cap thing. Anyways, okay, let's put it on here. It doesn't feel like, it's not thin, and it doesn't feel super thick. It's right in the middle. Interesting. It's like a gentle scent. A little floral. Seems like it's going to be nice. It's funny because we had a face oil last month and I didn't love it, but like I'm excited about this face cream. So maybe last month was just off for me or something. Trying to think what it smells like. It like reminds me of something. I don't want to say like a bug spray. That's not a nice thing to say. Something, the scent reminds me of something, but I can't put my finger on it. Maybe I'll figure it out at some point. Probably not right now. Okay, so that's exciting. Whole luscious pot of face cream, yum. And then let's talk about the Essential Mist. 3.3 fluid ounces, $75. Far more invigorating than a toner, the Essential Mist can only be described as an aqueous essence of healing adaptogens and balancing prebiotics in a base of botanical nutrients. The substantial spray is loaded with hyperhydrators, including tremella mushroom, nature's hyaluronic acid, that traps hydration under a thin, dewy veil. Shashandra berry adds a plump juiciness to the skin, while cordyceps flower and skullcap root add nourishment and antioxidant protection. American ginseng pairs with licorice root to help brighten, and a powerful concentration of prebiotics helps recalibrate the skin microbiome and barrier function. A botanical base of white tea and rose water lend this reparative essence its delicate scent. Used daily to resolve sensitivity, redness, irritation, dehydration, and to restore balance. Superpower ingredients are American ginseng, tremella mushroom, Shashandra berry, licorice root, cordyceps flower, skullcap root. So it's funny because down here it says 12-month expiration, like Visit Beauty here, blah, blah, blah. All products are good for 18 months unopened and 12 months after opening. But the box here for the cream says 6 months. Let's see about the essence. So that says 12 months. So I don't know if the cream is 6 months or 12 months. No matter what, I almost always go over it. But anyways, okay, I'm always like hesitant to like spray this right on my face, but let's see if it's like a gentle mist or a blast or what. My cat is rubbing against the camera. So many sprays. Ooh, that's a very fine mist. That's nice. I like it. It smells like roses to me. Ooh, it's super fine and like very wide spray. It's nice. Oh, that's nice. I like that. I'm excited about these products. Cool. I think that this is an exciting box. I don't know how everybody else feels, but I am very excited about it. As usual, there's information on the back about the brand, which I have to admit I don't usually read very much, but I should. And then they have their thing where it's like ways to play with like the different products. So this is exciting. This is a brand I've heard a lot about, good things. never used before, and I feel like it'll be fun to play with it. You know, I'll be able to use the essence, and then I'll probably like cleanse, and then I'll use this essence, and then I'll use a serum, and I'll follow up with the moisturizer. So I'll probably be able to use it, you know, daily or every other day, depending on how often I'm doing my skincare. I've been doing it mainly once a day, but on days I've worn makeup twice a day, so like it gives me a chance to use my products in my project pan and also the Beauty Hero ones. So, but I think this is a really exciting box, and I am excited to try it this month. So please let me know your thoughts. I'd love to know what you think about this box. If you've ever used this brand before, excited, not excited, let me know. So please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, found it helpful. Click the subscribe button so you'll be alerted for when the next video comes out. And I would love to chat with you in the comments below, and I will see you soon. Bye.